Call, call. To name or summon someone or something. Can, to be able to do something. Capital, capital. The city where a country's government is located. Car, a vehicle with 4 wheels used for transport. Card, a small piece of paper or plastic used for identification or payment. Care, to look after or show concern for someone or something. Carry, to transport or move something from one place to another. Case, an instance of a particular situation or a container for holding things. Cat, a small domestic animal with fur, whiskers, and sharp claws. Catch, to capture or seize someone or something. Cause, a reason or motive for an action. Center, the middle point or part of something. Century, a period of 100 years. Certain, sure or confident about something. Chair, a piece of furniture for sitting. Chance, an opportunity or possibility. Change, to make something different or exchange one thing for another. Charge, to demand or ask for payment, or to load energy. Check, to examine something for accuracy or correctness. Child, a young person or offspring. Choice, an act of selecting or making a decision. Choose, to select from a range of options. Church, a building for Christian worship. City, a large town or urban area. Class, a group of students or a session for teaching. Clear, easy to understand or see through. Climb, to go upward, often using hands or feet. Close, to shut something or bring it to an end. Cold, having a low temperature. College, an institution of higher education. Color, the quality of an object that is perceived by the eyes, such as red, blue, or green. Come, to move toward or arrive at a specific place. Common, occurring or found frequently, not rare. Community, a group of people living in the same area or sharing similar interests. Company, a business organization. Compare, to examine similarities and differences between 2 or more things. Complete, having all necessary parts or elements, finished. Computer, an electronic device for storing and processing data. Concern, a matter of interest, worry, or importance. Condition, the state or quality of something, or a situation that must be met. Conference, a formal meeting for discussion. Consider, to think carefully about something. Continue, to persist in an activity or process without stopping. Control, to manage or regulate the behavior or function of something. Cost, the price of something or the amount of money required. Could, used to indicate possibility or past ability. Country, a nation or territory with its own government. Couple, 2 people or things considered together. Course, a series of lessons or a direction or path something takes. Court, a place where legal matters are judged or a playing area for sports. Cover, to place something over or protect something. Create, to make something new or bring something into existence. Crime, an illegal act or offense. Cross, to move from one side to another or to intersect. Crowd, a large group of people gathered together. Cry, to shed tears or shout loudly in distress or excitement. Cultural, cultural, related to the ideas, customs, and social behavior of a society. Culture, culture, the beliefs, behaviors, and customs of a particular group or society. Cup, cup, a small, round container used for drinking liquids. Current, current, happening or existing at the present time, or a flow of electricity or water. Cut, cut, to divide something with a sharp tool, like a knife or scissors. Cycle, cycle, a series of events that repeat in a regular order or a vehicle like a bicycle.